spoke to so many people, and I'm actually kind of seeing if we do have one of our guest speakers who's actually going to talk about the results. Let's see. Do we have Ray Garcia on the? Let me go to the next line here. All right.
Hi, Jesse. I'm here.
There you are. What's up, Ray?
How you doing?
What's going on? Let me go ahead and stop sharing my screen so we can see you real quick. Are you able to turn on your video? If not, it's okay. There you are. All right. Thank you, Ray, for being on. Ray Garcia is in the U.S. We had a great conversation in the middle of the night, and we were able to really connect really well. So, Ray, whenever you're ready.
Okay, sure. So I just want to share with everybody. Unfortunately, I'm a diabetic, but I don't let it get me down. But I'm with this group of doctors that guarantee you'll get off your diabetes medications within a year. So it's under a keto diet plan. So I started taking the new sugar product, and they started asking, well, why is my sugars dramatically gone down? And I said, well, I'm using this new product from HealthyNULiving. And they go, oh, we got to send us information. We got to hear about that. But doing my own research for the last 30 plus years, and I'm like my mom, I always talk about holistic alternatives to doctors that most of them don't know what they're talking about. And they're not allowed to tell us about healthy new choices anyway. Otherwise, they get kicked out of their profession. I think I crack up when I went to a friend's graduation at the University of Minnesota as a doctor, and they said, yes, now we want you to have some moxie and go out there and conquer the world and don't be afraid to voice your ideas. But as soon as they come up with alternatives, they go, oh, you're fired, you're kicked out of the profession. So that's kind of a dichotomy of a farce. One of the other products is the multivitamin. I've been in Amway for several years. I also used to promote their products, and I find this multivitamin is equal to Amway products at a lesser price as well, and it's effective as well. I like it that it's not a vitamin that you have to wait for it to digest into your stomach before you start feeling the effects. That's another thing I like about these products. I personally don't ever promote a brand unless I take it on an empty stomach, because for some reason my stomach can hell right away if there's a foreign substance in it. And I'm taking all these products that I take on an empty stomach, and none of them I've had any adverse reactions, so I can be a testimony to that. Another one I get is the New Brain, and I've worked at several major corporations in my life, and you have to have your brain at optimum performance at all times, especially when you're on the phone dealing with your clients. So one of my mentors, I consider him as Al Sears. He's got a couple of places in Newport Beach, California, and Arizona. He's got his own offices there. He caters to the stars, Hollywood stars. But he talked about this, and I forgot the term they used, but I got into his product right away. He sells his own brand, and of course it's very expensive. And I found the alternative on Amazon. It was pretty much the same. But then I saw this New Brain. I said, well, why don't I try this New Brain Plus? And guess what? I have people that are less than half my age saying, how do you remember all this stuff? Because I was doing 401ks for Wells Fargo and another major financial institution as well recently. And I'm like, well, I use the product and it really works, So if you think you have brain fog, hey, everybody can use this New Brain Plus, and it really does work. And I find that these products, they also help you sleep better as well. So you can put aside the melatonin, etc. Just take these products. I can't promote a product that I don't take myself. Any products do it. I can invest in it.
All right, thank you, Ray.
Thanks for the time.
So what are the names of the products you take again?
So one is the New Brain Plus, one is the new multivitamin for men, and they have one for women, I believe, too. And then the other one is New Sugar. And if you're diabetic like myself, you'll see results almost immediately within that same week. You can do your blood sugars, and you're like, hey, I'm doing something right for once. And guess what? It is the product itself helping you.
Thank you so much, Ray. I appreciate you. That is amazing. I definitely know a lot of people with diabetes. Oh my goodness. I can't wait I don't have diabetes, thank God. And I mean, if I did, I definitely would buy that one and start seeing, what kind of results I get. But of course, guys, our story, what we're sharing with you, that's our story. It's nothing, we're not guaranteeing that you're going to get the same results, right? Everyone has different systems. Plus, we're not allowed to really. So the products are not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure, or prevent, that sort of stuff. So we're just sharing the experiences that we've had with the products, and we're really happy with them. And if you get them too, then that's awesome as well. Very important question, guys. Are you A or are you B? Okay. A, I want to become an affiliate member. I want to be a part of this amazing company. I love the products. I want to try the products. I love the products. I want to share them with people. And I actually want to invite others to become members too and earn from the commissions. That's great. Very good. We're going to have training. We're going to show you how to set goals, how to work together as a team. We're going to teach you things that you don't know. Or if you do know, you're going to be a part of our leadership and help us teach others to be entrepreneurs, okay? So, are you A or are you B? I want to become a free customer. I'm not sure about the business yet, but I definitely want to try these products. Please send me the link so I can, buy these products, okay? So just get back with the person that invited you and just let them know, hey, I'm A, or just say, hey, I'm B.